Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to put Google Docs in dark mode. So friend, here I'm going to show you these methods, very easy and simple ways to learn how to make your Google Doc in dark mode. So let's get started. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Docs. So here you can see that my already this docs is created. And now I want to convert this doc as a dark mode. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's see. So friend, first thing first, here first we are going to do dark mode in Google Chrome. So simply click on this three dot icon, then select settings, and now we are going to click on this appearance, which is available on left hand side, and here you will see this mode option, and here you are going to select dark. Okay, so my Google Chrome will convert it into dark mode, and now we are going to check it out, this Google Docs. So friend, here you can see that my Google Docs is still in white or light mode. Okay, so friend, here what we will do, simply click on this file tab, which is available on menu, and then click on this page setup. Okay, and friend, here what you will do, you can simply change your page color. So right now we are going to click on this drop down button, and here you can select any dark color. Okay, here we are going to select black color and then click on OK button. Okay, so now friend, you can see that my Google Doc is converted into dark mode. Okay, so friend, here what you will do, you can also change the color of these fonts, so you will get the perfect idea about it. So here we are going to select this white. Okay, so friend, now you can see that my document is showing very clean and with dark mode. Okay, here we are going to change this color, so we get the idea about it. Okay, so for example, here we are going to change black. Okay, so friend, now you can see that my Google Doc is converted into dark mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.